Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video I will tell you about how we access the Udemy courses 100% free. So let's start. For example, open the Udemy app. If you need a gaming course, any game course 100% free, like these Unity projects are present here. So how will we access them? So first you will open the Chrome browser. After open this right here, online courses club. Here is the first WordPress website which name is tutorial premium courses online. Open this. After open this, here this website is open. Here are different courses are present that are 100% free, in which modeling, 3D design, character rigging, different courses are present here. Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere S. We need the course of Unity, any Unity course, game development. So here we search Unity. When we search Unity, these are all courses we access. These all courses are 100% free. Let we start. Can we access these courses free? I click on this. After clicking this, these are information are present here.
All table of contents are present here. Also video for download or watching free. Here click on this.
Let we start this. Can we access these videos or not? I open this. After open this, it takes some time upon your network speed. It takes a 1 minute for accessing. These are 100% free. Download or view option are present. After click this, you see here is the loading media. This. After click this, it takes the time for loading. So you can see easily
we're going to go back to the flooded grounds.
All course we access
Main folder
and we can also see it.
So we've taken a look at these buildings. Now we're going to.
You can access all the courses here freely. We delete this and delete this. Open and search other course. Can we access the other course? Like I open the Udemy and search any other course. Like Unreal Engine. I search the Unreal Engine course. Can we access them? So let's see. Search here Unreal Engine courses. You can also write full name of the course that you need. You can easily access. This is the Unreal Engine courses are also present. You can also access these courses freely, 100% freely. This is the today video in which we see how can we access the Udemy courses freely, 100% freely. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so when I upload the new video you can see the video quickly. Thank you guys.